Mga kada, narinig nyo na ba itong usong term na naman ngayon sa social media pagdating sa relationship? Hindi po red flag, hindi rin green flag. Ang tawag nila ay beige. Beige flag. Hindi po kasi siya kasing lala ng red at hindi rin kasing perfect ng green. Ito raw yung mga ugali o quirks ng isang tao na mapapatigil ka sandali at mapapasabi ka ng, ha? Bakit siya ganun?
I can give you an example kasi sobrang natatamaan ako dito, especially sa lines ko. Tingnan mo, for example, ito yung tipong lagi siyang kumakain ng parehong order sa restaurant kahit maraming choices. Makikita niyo ako, ginagawa ko yan.
Ano
Oh,
naman?
another one. Or kaya naman, sobrang mahilig magkwento, pero paikot-ikot at hindi matapos. Diba ako din yun? Oh my goodness. Ito na. Minsan cute, minsan confusing. Ako din yun. Pero hindi lang talaga deal breaker. Ako din po yun.
Oh, marami naman talaga tayong ganyan. Kaya ang tanong ng ating mga kada, hanggang saan lang ba ang pagiging quirky at kailan nagiging beige flag ang mga ito, mga kada? Yes, and today joining us, we have Frisha Braga de la Cruz para tulungin tayo kung anong kulay ng flag ang dapat nating islay. So, hello Frisha!
Frisha, good morning.
Thank you. Good morning, mga kada.
Ikaw na nga
Welcome back.
mag-explain, Frisha, tungkol sa beige flag. Ano ba ang mga usual na, ano bang equivalent na ito sa mga psychological concepts?
Okay.
Kasi dati parang pet peeve ang tawag dito. Is it the same thing?
Ang beige flag kasi isang internet slang term na ang ibig sabihin ay harmless habits or mannerisms ng isang tao. So, kagaya ng nabanggit kanina, hindi siya red, hindi rin siya green, nandun siya sa gitna. So, it's beige. Sa psychology, meron kaming tinatawag na idiosyncratic behaviors. Ibig sabihin, ito yung mannerisms or habits na specific sa isang tao. Ito ay individual differences lamang. So, lahat tayo merong beige flag.
Yeah, true.
It
That's
doesn't
why.
sound very negative.
No.
It sounds like it's what makes you you. So
Like it's normal.
So is it bad or good?
Aray.
Or dapat pala hindi ito kinaiiritahan or kinaaano yan?
It's supposed to be harmless. Noticeable siya, pero mapapaha ka lang. Pero hindi naman siya, alam mo, hindi naman siya dangerous or hindi naman siya nakaka-bother at all. Parang noticeable lang, pero it's weird.
Okay.
Pero habang tumatagal ba, nababother ba?
yun na,
Kasi
personal.
diba, yun ang pinag-usapan natin sa kanina.
Oo.
Yung
So,
about,
katulad nung halimbawa, meron akong kilala. Tawagin natin sa pangalan. Itago natin
May
sa
friend
pangalang
ako.
Steve.
yes please, kasi yung context dyan, kailangan talaga ka-close mo.
Kasi minsan, halimbawa, mag-alarm siya. Tapos magigising siya ahead of time.
Okay.
Pero hindi naman niya i-off yung alarm niya.
Yes.
Makakalimutan niya. So the rest of us who also sleep in the same bedroom, wake up na hindi naman namin kailangan magising ng ganun kaaga. So, it's annoying. Is this still considered a beige flag or what do you think, Frisha?
Yung repetition tsaka yung familiarity, unti-unti nagiging red yan eh. Especially if it causes us discomfort and it causes negative impact. Another warning sign is kapag kinausap mo yung person na kinoconsider nating may beige flag, hindi siya open to communicate or he lacks awareness. So, dun nagkakaroon ng problem. So, kapag ka ganun, it's no longer beige, it's becoming red.
Red na. So, nakaka-apekto talaga siya, possible
Yes.
sa relationship.
Nag-iiba pala yung kulay pag hindi in-address.
Anong kulay ka na ba ngayon?
Namumula siya.
Pareho na. Pared na yung yung page ko. But what should we do with these beige flags? If we're annoyed about it or starting to get annoyed, we should we should discuss it.
Yes, it's important to address it. Talk to the person, open communication. It's important na to discuss it, how it affects you, rather than accusing them. Sometimes it's part of their personality. Sometimes you have to accept that it's not really a problem and that's really who they are. So even us, we have
So
beige
dapat tayo na yung mag-adjust. Respetuhin naman natin yung mga Kasi katulad nung, ayun, medyo annoying yun kasi ayaw mo naman magising all the time nang hindi mo gusto.
It affects the routine.
Hindi mo
So,
schedule.
oo.
Pero yung taong, halimbawa, kasi amiga, mahilig
Ako.
talaga siya umorder ng same food
Oo,
every
totoo.
day. Eh ano naman, di ba?
Totoo talaga yun.
Why is that annoying to some people?
It's harmless.
Sometimes if it's too much or paulit-ulit say order ng order, it looks rigid and limiting. So it underlies a trait or a behavior.
So parang, if you want her to, you shouldn't change her, right?
Yes.
Di ba?
But if the person you're with is medyo ma-explore ang taste buds, so medyo mahihirapan siya. Yung
So,
pag hindi nagtutugma.
problem siya sa relationship. Halimbawa, if you're like a person sharing food.
Yes.
Or if I travel with you,
Correct.
hindi ka kakain
Magiging
unless
factor.
makain mo yung
Yung
gusto
exact
mo.
na gusto mo.
Yes.
Halimbawa, nasa Italy tayo, tapos gusto
Maghanap
mo
ka ng
chicken
sugar-free
fingers.
na chicken
Oh,
fingers.
la! Paano
remember
tayo kakain together?
So, basically-
sa Italy ng chicken fingers.
Siyempre,
Parang-
wale, di ba? Pero hindi, ako naman, I'm adjustable. Like, I do that when I'm on my own. So I don't like make other people like eat the same as me or anything. Pero may mga iba, like for example, ako, magkwento, di ba? Maikot yung kwento ko bago, kasi gusto ko may context siya. I can't remove that away from me, di ba? Kasi nga, that's how I was raised. So now I have a hard time removing that from me. So personality tuloy.
Yeah,
diba?
the key there is not the behavior itself, but how the person or how the people around you responds to it.
Correct. Oo.
How do you know when a beige flag is tolerable or if it's harmful to you? Because, for example, a beige flag that someone I know, they're always leaving their socks everywhere in the condo. And like, ako, I don't mind. Like, it's really harmless talaga. So I'm always picking it up. But then minsan, after a long day of work, I go home and I see the socks on the floor and I'm like, why can't you just put it
My
away?
friend can be friends with your friend.
Yeah. Oh.
And I'm sure her friend too.
Right.
Oh, ganon din.
Yes.
Oh,
Yeah,
di ba? Yung madumi na damit, iniwan kahit saan. Oh, I know.
Yeah,
Pwede, ba,
so like,
pwede naman i-discuss yun. ano?
yeah, I know it's harmless naman. So like, how can you know when something is harmless versus something that will over time become something that will affect you more?
Yes. Stress level plays a big role. Kapag ka overloaded na tayo tapos meron pang medyas na nakakalat, talagang nakakairita. So we have to assess first, since we know ourselves, we have to assess which is harmless versus just merely annoying. And then
okay.
we have to address this so that a relationship is a balance of adjustment and acceptance. So we have to navigate these differences in a healthy way.
Tama. At saka, siguro it helps din, Frisha, just correct me if I'm wrong, na hindi natin to tanggapin in a personal manner.
Yes.
Yung para bang
Correct.
iniiwan nila to intentionally
Yes.
para
To stress
pulutin mo. Diba? Kasi
Minsan
like,
ganon ang feeling, di ba? Pero it's not.
but it's not. They're just unaware.
Oo.
Am I right?
Correct.
Kasi minsan may ganyan ding pag-uugali yung asawa ko. Magaling yan mag-turn on ng lahat ng ilaw, appliances.
At hindi ma-off.
Tapos hindi niya i-off. Tapos sasabihin nila sa akin, you're always the last one in the car.
Oh.
Alam mo yon yung
Because you're turning everything off. I'm also that one.
Nung nakaload na sila lahat sa kotse, syempre ako na naman yung last. Syempre kasi, di ba? Ang dami kong in-off.
Ang dami pa ano, tit.
Ang dami ko inayos from you.
So what is the right way to approach this para
Yes.
hindi maging beige yung red? At hindi naman natin sila
Hindi maging red yung
ma-hurt.
beige.
Yeah, so they don't feel attacked. Or they don't feel like we're nagging them.
True.
Oo.
Maging red yung beige.
It's also important na yung
Maging
kausap.
beige yung red.
Gusto mo maging beige kasi yung red.
O basta, alam na ni Trisha.
Well, it's also important.
Tama. Para
Yes,
hindi
yes.
maging red, yung beige. Tama
Yes, yes,
ako.
yes, yes.
Ano ba yun?
Go, Trisha.
It's important na yung kausap natin, open din siya for discussion. And
Yes.
he's willing to adjust, especially if it makes you uncomfortable or it affects you emotionally. So, maganda na i-open natin to, kagaya ng na-mention ko kanina, calm and open and not accusing them but telling them how it affects you. So, it really helps a lot. So, sabihin mo na hindi ako natutuwa kapag umuwi ako tas may medyas or maybe it can be addressed.
And meron nga ako nakita online, just want to add this lang, like, sa relationship or sa marriage, meron ako nabasa na in-interview sila na couple, and then, yung stranger na in-interview siya, and then, what is love to you? So, growing up, kasi mga kada, yung dad niya, parang palaging kumakain yung mom niya na maingay. And all growing up, iniisip niya, bakit hindi niya hinihiwalayan yung mom?
I've seen that!
Yes,
Remember we read
that
it?
one. And then, nung nagka-family na siya, nagka-complication yung relationship ng kid, nag-ask siya sa dad niya, ba't hindi niya iniwan yung mom? So, sabi ng dad, that flaw, that part na ayaw mo sa person na yun, it's a part of the person that you love.
Correct.
Yes. So,
that.
it's
Yeah,
not
I
really
remember
a
that.
flaw.
Oo.
So, you just have to stay sa table and understand that that part or that flaw is a part of the person you love.
So it's something you should
Ayan,
love
yung mga
too.
medyas. Thankful.
Wag naman yun.
You think, oh, I'm so happy there's socks on the floor.
Wow, I love, I live for this.
I
Teka
love
lang.
the
Wait.
socks.
Ooh, I
Yes.
smell so good. Diba? Yung parang ganun ka na.
Wag
Sobrang
yung ganun.
toxic positive.
Pwede kasing maging ano yan maging source of
Yes.
nagging.
Yes.
Na ayaw mo mangyari.
Yeah.
So, ako ginagawa ko na lang humor or yun na nga, tinatanggap ko na lang.
Pero ito yung tanong, Frisha, may psychological explanation ba kung bakit ang ibang tao ay mas may tolerance sila sa mga quirks na gano'n or mga pet peeves ng iba? Ako,
Higher
I'm very
tolerance.
tolerant
Yes.
sa mga ganyan. Kasi alam ko, marami ako niyan. So I need to be tolerant to other people. So bakit may ganyan difference?
Simply because we're all different and we have different emotional capacity. So kapag medyo mas anxious ka na person, mas mabilis kang magsasnap. Yes.
Oh, like yung kapatid ko, yung sinabi mo, yung chewing na, na may sounds.
Yes.
Inis na inis siya doon. Yung talagang galit. So, uy, wag kang ganyan. Yung parang feeling ko, di ka na nga mature, kaya nga, pati yan na gano'n sa'yo. Kumbaga, ako talaga very meron, I feel it. It doesn't mean I'm not feeling it. Alam ko nakaka-bother. Yung mga ganyan, nakakainis, yung gano'n. Pero I accept it. Is this something that we recognize on other people as well? That's why we're more understanding?
Yes, definitely.
So it's also up to us to decide if these quirks are something that we're willing to accept
Yes.
or willing to speak to them about and
Yes.
everything. Okay.
At the end of the day,
Or to
meron din
live
tayong
with,
beige
yeah.
flags.
Yes,
True.
I agree. We all have beige flags. Yes.
Kaya, Frisha, ano na lang ang maipapayo mo para sa mga tao para mas maintindihan nila at patanggap ang differences ng kanilang mga partners without getting annoyed, getting naggy about it, or overanalyzing, making it personal.
Sometimes we don't have to stress about these things, especially kung it's, at the end of the day, you realize it's harmless. Like, yung mga simpleng paulit-ulit na order sa restaurant,
oo.
it's just who they are. It's not Diana if it's not the same order. So, it's not everything noticeable is a problem. So,
Yes.
tayo din, baka beige flags din tayo. ng iba.
Correct. Hindi naman tayo perfecto
Yes.
rin.
At the end of the day, lahat ng napapansin natin, hindi natin siya kailangan i-digest or pansinin. So, baka beige flag lang yan. And that is totally slayable.
Naisip ko lang na just because hindi tayo nako-call out, kasi tayo mahilig tayo mag-call out ng mga partners natin. At porket hindi tayo nako-call out, hindi ibig sabihin na wala tayong attributes na
Yes.
na annoying din. Na parang baka mas enlightened lang sila at mas forgiving at mas accepting of annoying traits that we also have.
Totoo naman, oo.
Diba?
Kaya thank you so
Thank
much,
you, Frisha.
Frisha.
Thank
you. Sa mga nabitin pa sa ating slayable na conversation, saan ka ba nila pwede i-follow sa social media?
Hi mga kada, you can find me on TikTok at Frisha Braga. Thank you!
Thank you once again. Thank you so much, Frisha. At mga kada, minsan, yung mga tinatawag nating beige flags, sila po yung nabibigay ng kulay at character sa isang tao.
Sige na nga. Kaya okay lang po yan. Wala kayong dapat ikabahala dahil hindi naman tayo talaga naghahanap ng perfect partner. Kundi ng taong kaya nating tanggapin ng buong buo kasamang kanilang flaws and quirks.
Let's get together. Sunday 25. Sunday 25.